Offer value by creating structure with your prices so that clients who have bigger budgets can build out your services to take advantage of the budget they have to offer. When you go buy a computer from Apple, they don't sell a one-size-fits-all brick. They sell items that can be stacked on top of each other so that you can maximize your budget. They offer value in the form of RAM upgrade, hard drive upgrade, graphic card upgrades, bags, keyboards, mice. They have stackable items that you can stack on top of each other in order to maximize your budget. Guess what? It works in reverse. Because if a client can't afford you, you have things you can take out of the package so that they can. That is the difference between listening to people that's selling you old business models based on doing portraits in the park and new business models, helping you transition from B to C to B to B.